In this short video, I'll be showing you a new tool that we've got coming out in the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. It's called Set Structure Reference. And as you can see here on screen, I actually have a pipe network, and you'll see I've got some labels, and it says station, question mark, and offset is question marks. Mainly what happened here is often when you create a pipe network, you haven't actually set alignment. Maybe the alignment isn't even there yet. In this situation, I went back through and created the alignment after I created the pipe network. So now I actually want to set that as my reference, and I can also do the same thing for a surface here. So all we do is we come up here to Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. We go under this swap multiple parts, and underneath here you're going to see set structure references. This dialog box comes up. I can either manually do it, I can go from structure to structure, but what I'm going to do here is from a pipe network. I want to do the whole network at one time. I'm going to click on this icon here, and I'm going to go select the network here, and I click on it, and you'll see it's actually Storm 1. It shows me there's 10 objects selected there, and so now down below I can set the reference alignment. Once again, I don't know which one, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to zoom in, I'm going to select the alignment itself. It shows me it's Storm 1 alignment. If I want to change the surface that I'm referencing, I could do that also. I'm not going to, but I could just click on this if I wanted to. I'm just going to escape here. And now all I'm going to do is go OK, and now you'll see that the station offset has now been set. So if I look at this manhole here, we're going to select on this manhole. I'm going to come up here to Structure Properties, and we go to Part Properties here. Now you can see what my reference alignment is, and my reference surface is existing ground. But if I want to change that, the reference surface, same thing. I can just come back up here, the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D, set Structure References, and in this case, the network, again, it's Storm 1, and I'm going to change the surface this time to say just EG, and I'm going to go OK. And now if I select on this manhole here, we're going to come back up here to Structure Properties, and now you'll see it's set to EG. So I'm doing them all at one time, which saves a lot of time by doing it this way. This concludes this short video. Thanks for watching.